pull one slate out. Too tall. Have to make it a little smaller. Ain't gonna go yet. The top's moved off a little bit. Make sure we got a good fit. Still got something in the way. Wire nail. Standard slate repair is done like that. We'll bevel the bib just a fraction just to give it a little spring to it. Always worry about them sliding out to 100% flat. Just a little bevel, keep the water channeled in the keyway, make the repair. Which it looks like the one next to it's missing a nail, and I'll get to that one in a minute. That felt like a pin slate instead of a one. Yep. Okay, when you get one that somebody went up there ahead of me, and they used roof cement, well, it's still leaking. See if we can cut this stuff loose. Yeah. And that water, that roof cement just jams the water, redirects the water under the roof. It doesn't do anything but redirect water. And it was a perfect example. Instead of replacing one slate, after they added roof cement, we have to replace two. Nope, I'm going to change that. That one's broke, the one beside it and under it was